Do you buy fridge magnets when you travel? Think a bit cliche? Well, in Beijing, they are on a whole different level. Let me show you. Almost every piece has a fun little detail, like the Beijing style gate, open, a hidden Chinese blessing inside, a two-layer collar inspired by traditional Ming Dynasty clothing. Some light up, some spin, some fold, some even work as night light. My favorite, Beijing Four Seasons. Spring at Tiananmen Square, summer at the Summer Palace, autumn at the Temple of Heaven, winter at the Forbidden City. So beautiful. Not just the magnets and more. Film-style postcards, 3D notebooks, panda bags, water bottles, even lipsticks. If you love cultural designs, make sure to save some time for souvenir shopping in Beijing. You will love it.